Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have all the new summer releases from Chanel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, be sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. It is completely free to subscribe to my channel, so definitely be sure you are subscribed. So let's get into all of Chanel's new summer releases. Chanel surprisingly has had a quiet summer. They haven't released many products this year, whereas last year we seem to have back-to-back releases. We have had a few releases here and there, and I have all the information for you in today's video. So first up, last month Chanel did release some really gorgeous nail polishes. They released 6 beautiful summer nail polish shades, and these are very classy and classic. So for those of you that don't like that vibrant type of nail polish, then this collection is for you. I chose shade 405. This is Dazzling Artist, and this is a gorgeous pink coral. Unlike anything I've seen before, I don't have this shade in my collection, and normally I steer away from coral shades because I just feel like it doesn't suit me, but this pink coral is classic. Next shade I chose is 409. This one is in Midnight Dancer, and this is a bluish pink, also really beautiful. I actually have been wearing it in my previous videos, and you guys have complimented and said that you love the shade, so this is what I was wearing. This is a beautiful shade of pink, perfect for the summer season, and again, if you don't like vibrant nail polish shades, then these are a must-have. Both of these shades are very easy to wear, and they are sheer, but if you apply 2 to 3 coats, you can get a very nice color on your nails, so I do think these are a must-have. Chanel did release new Gabrielle body oil as well as a primer mist. I was intrigued by the primer mist, so I did purchase it. This one comes in 150 mils, so really large bottle. So let's go ahead and unbox this together. This is described as a very light mist. I would personally describe this as a light lotion that's in spray form. And you do have to shake the bottle, and you just go ahead and apply this right before your Gabrielle fragrance, and it's supposed to increase the longevity of the fragrance itself. It smells lovely on the skin. It's really light. I love the soft mist that it has. It is beautiful. It smells amazing. Now, I do like the Gabrielle scent. I have both the original as well as the essence, and as you can see, it is very much loved. I apply this all the time. So once you apply the primer, you just go ahead and apply the perfume right on top, and they both smell divine. They really smell so good. I'm an evening shower person, and I just love to apply something very soft in the evening. This is perfect because it combines both a lotion as well as a beautiful fragrance, both in one. I do normally apply this right directly on my skin, and I feel like it's very hydrating. It's very soft, elegant. Love the bottle, love the fragrance. I think this is definitely a winner. Now for the nude lipsticks. Chanel just released a range of nude lipsticks, and they're personally my favorite. I remember a couple of years back they released a nude kind of collection, and it was one of my favorite releases. It's when I found my all-time favorite formula for the Rouge Allure Velvet, and it's an Demi Mauve. I absolutely love that shade. I still do. I still wear it all the time, and they just released another range of nude lipsticks. Chanel doesn't release nude lipsticks often, but when they do, they normally release some beautiful shades. And this year we have 4 new Rouge Allure Velvet shades, and all of these are nude, rosy nude type of shades. Very beautiful. I did purchase 3 out of the 4. Unfortunately, shade number 77, I did have to order it online because it was out of stock at my boutique, but make sure you follow me on Instagram. Once I do receive that shade, I will show you swatches as well as how it looks like on my complexion. Other than that, I will be showing you shade number 76 and 79. They'll also release 3 gorgeous shades in their Rouge Allure Velvet. These are more pinky nudes. I did skip up on these just because I have shades that are similar to these, but they are very gorgeous. But here are the swatches. Now let's zoom you guys in and let's try out these 2 lipstick shades. Starting off with shade number 76, this is a milky pink shade. Now, based on my complexion, I feel that this might be too light for me. I did want to purchase the shade because it just swatched so beautifully and I just could not leave it behind. Look how pretty that is. I'm really excited to try this shade. Just a very soft nude. Oh, it feels so beautiful on the lips. I love Chanel lipsticks. This is really pretty. Ooh, this is so nice. I'm surprised. I normally steer away from lighter nudes like this just because I feel like they don't suit my complexion. But this is a really nice shade. So for those of you that have a similar complexion to me, then I think you will like this one. I think this is going to be beautiful with a lip liner as well. I want to try this Nude Brune lip liner by Chanel with this lip color. I think that they will go perfectly together. So let's see. Yes, this is the perfect lip liner shade. So that's a lip liner in Nude Brune with shade 76. And how gorgeous is this lip combo? Another reason why I purchased shade 76, because this looks amazing together. Next up, I have shade 79, and this one is described as a brownie rose. Look at how gorgeous that is. I love this formula. It's so creamy, even though it is matte. Ooh, this is going to be beautiful. So that's shade 79, a very playful pink shade. I wouldn't even call this a brown pink. It just looks straight up pink on me. Really pretty, but I wouldn't say this is a nude shade at all. Really beautiful. I think this is perfect for the summer season, not so much the fall season. It really is so vibrant. I didn't anticipate that it would be this vibrant. So it's always nice to see swatches, see how it applies on different skin tones. So this is quite vibrant. So if you're thinking that this is going to be a nude shade, I would say not really. This definitely is pink. Now, of course, you can dab this on your lips and apply it in a sheer way, but I went full on in. Very pretty shade. I just love this formula. So that's it for new releases by Chanel for this summer season. I think that Chanel is done for the summer and the next release is going to be the fall collection. According to my sales associate, Chanel is going to have something huge coming up during the fall and winter season. So if you love Chanel, then I say save your money and wait for the new collections because it seems like it's going to be big. I actually love that Chanel has kept it nice and simple for us this summer. I think they realize that we don't apply too much makeup during the summer season, so they've just kept it nice and sweet for us and then getting us kind of ready for the fall and winter season. I do love the nail polishes, really have been enjoying them. I've been applying them non-stop and I just feel like they're just gorgeous shades. The lipsticks are really pretty. I love shade 76. I think it is so pretty with the lip liner, the Nude Brune lip liner, so I definitely will be wearing that one often. I can't wait to try shade 77, and again, if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely be sure to follow me there. Once I receive that shade, I will go ahead and insert swatches and show you what it looks like on my complexion. I think the Gabrielle fragrance primer is lovely. It's such a nice treat. I think I'm going to enjoy this in the evening just to apply it on my skin. I love the Gabrielle fragrance, so this was a really nice surprise. And that is it for all of the summer releases from Chanel this year. The next release is going to be the fall collection. As soon as it hits stores, I will go ahead and purchase it and review it for you guys. So please be sure you're subscribed to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And if you are interested in any more of my videos, I will leave a couple more right here for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.